All right, let's dive right into this explainer on the alchemy of agricultural waste. We're looking at a process here that can absolutely transform your farm's soil health. If you've ever, looked around your property and seen nothing but endless piles of debris and animal byproducts, well, you're going to want to pay close attention. Today, we're breaking down the science of how to take that perceived trash and turn it into a literally invaluable agricultural asset. So, we've got to start by directly addressing a massive financial and ecological drain. The big question, are synthetic fertilizers quietly killing your soil's natural vitality, all while draining your wallet? It's a total double-edged sword, right? You're paying top dollar for commercial inputs, but over time, those very same inputs might actually be stripping away the natural life force of your land. We absolutely need a solution that heals the soil instead of harming it. And, let's be real, one that keeps your hard-earned cash right in your pocket.
Just think about the stark contrast for a second. On one hand, you have what most folks see when they look out at the barnyard, just a smelly pile of dung. Usually, it's viewed as a nuisance, a chore, basically just waste. But, and here's the kicker, hidden inside that exact same pile is the secret to thriving, completely chemical-free harvests. It's a total paradigm shift. We have to fundamentally change how we look at barn waste, moving away from this mindset of disposal to one of highly valuable production.
Which brings us to our first main point, unlocking barnyard black gold and really changing our perception of barn waste. So, what exactly is this black gold? Well, we're talking about humus, and this isn't just your everyday dirt. It's an incredibly nutrient-dense, soil-restoring powerhouse. And the crazy part? It's created simply by transforming raw livestock manure and dry farm waste. Just by combining those two ordinary, everyday elements, you create this ultimate life force for your crops. It's 100% organic, and you can make it right there on your property. But how do we actually pull that off? How does a pile of literal waste become a pile of gold?
That brings us to the mechanics of transforming that waste, the closed-loop layering science.
The actual mechanics behind this transformation are super fascinating. Step 1 is simply layering your biomass, so alternating the raw manure and the dry waste. Step 2, though, is absolutely critical, actively managing the heat and moisture in a closed-loop system. By keeping the pile well insulated and perfectly hydrated, you naturally regulate the internal temp. Once you nail that balance, you move right into step 3, which is accelerating the microbial breakdown. Those microbes are basically the tiny workers doing all the heavy lifting, and when you optimize their environment, they metabolize the waste at lightning speed, churning out professional-grade organic compost.
By applying this science, you completely stop looking at farm residues as trash. Instead, you're actively recycling them into a highly sustainable fuel source for your entire operation. This right here is the real magic of a true closed-loop system. Think about it. The farm feeds the soil feeds the crops feed the animals, and the animals produce the waste that kicks the whole cycle off again. You're taking what the farm produces naturally, regenerating it, and feeding it right back into the earth. It's the literal definition of efficiency. But hey, theory is great. What about the actual results?
Let's look at the ultimate result of all this transformation, fueling high-value harvests.
Check out this vivid imagery from the source material. They note that when this nutrient-dense humus is applied, mango and dragon fruit orchards literally explode with growth. Just think about that word for a second. Explode. We aren't talking about tiny marginal improvements here. We are talking about a massive, vibrant surge in natural vitality, and it's all driven by a thriving, chemical-free life force that you manufactured yourself out of what used to be considered garbage. So, to wrap up our explainer today, I really want to leave you with a provocative thought. Take a look around your own property. Think about the resources you might currently be discarding or just completely ignoring. What secret black gold is hiding right now, in plain sight, in your own barn? The potential for a chemical-free, wallet-saving harvest is quite literally at your fingertips, just waiting for a little bit of science and a simple change in perspective.